Hey guys, welcome back. Okay, so I apologize ahead of time because I am actually blind right now. My last pair of contacts that I've had that I've been like making them really last for a really long time just dried out on me. It's my last pair, so I have to wear these glasses till I get my new set of contacts. So I'm having a little difficulty seeing right now. So you're gonna see a lot of like squinting, so I apologize. As you can tell in my description of the video that we are going to be unboxing the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of August. So we're gonna go ahead and get into the box and see what I received. Okay, so the first item I have here is the Ahava Hydration Cream Mask. So the cream comes like this and it smells very, very good. Okay, so it says apply once or twice a week, rinse after 3 to 5 minutes, or you can leave all night, which I like that, where you can just continue to pamper yourself throughout the night and wake up nice, fresh, and hydrated. So I like that one. And this is valued at $33. I'm just gonna do it this way. The next thing we have here is the Solve Beauty Liquid Chrome Illumination Drops. Even though it says illuminating, for some reason I thought it was gonna be like another skin oil or like a serum, but this is definitely not a serum. Summer, the time to shine. The liquid highlighter gets you glowing from head to toe, whether you're going for a subtle sheen or an extreme effect. Hitting the dance floor, the water-resistant formula won't budge when you're busting a move. Haha, that's so cute. Okay. Ooh, my. Now that is sheenific. So here's how it looks. Whoa, that is like, so this bottle can really go a long way. So you can have this for a very long time. So I'm just gonna dab over here like a thinner amount. I'm gonna show you the difference. This is where I put it. Then you have the big glob right there. So hopefully you can see that. Okay, the next product I have here, what is this? And this is one of my favorite brands because of the packaging. Their products are very nice as well, but I really love the packaging there. Look at that. I like how it looks like broken. And this is Smith & Colt. I have a few items from them that I received from subscription boxes. And I really like them. They're very pricey. So, let me give you the price of that highlighter. I forgot. The highlighter retails for $26. And this is a nail lacquer in Pillow Pink. And it retails for $18. So, yes, their products are a little pricey for $18. I'm glad I got this in the box because I definitely wouldn't be paying $18 for a polish. This is really pretty. Oops. Okay, so mine came off. Okay, I can't open this, which is really terrible because I really like this brand. Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get this off. Oh, there it goes. I wonder if I glue it a little bit. So it's just a typical polish. I'll go ahead and paint my ugly nails right now. Just a very soft pink. That's the wrong finger for me to do it on. So the next item I have here is the colors, I think because of the black is too close together. Finding Odia. I don't know if that's O or D, but there you go. You guys can make that out. And this is a lipstick. And I've received this brand before. I know I have. I think this is the lipstick that clicks. So it clicks, so you can open it. Ooh, I like that color. That's like a nude. Ooh, It looks nude, but it's coming out more pink. Very pretty. And that's in the color Au Natural. This classic nude shade earns a top spot in your purse for a pop of sophisticated color that instantly pulls a look together. And no more messy spills. The pop in and out feature will keep your bag pristine, even if it falls to the bottom. Pretty good. And that retails for 30 freaking bucks. $30. $30 for a lipstick. Why? So we're just gonna go ahead and move on to the next and last product in this very expensive box. Okay, so the next thing is we got a palette, which we all love getting our palettes, and this is in the palm of your hands. Greatest Hits Volume 2. Oh, this is cute. I love this packaging. It's so cute. Ooh, so you got a nice mirror like that right there. It looks like you have eyeshadows. You have a matte here. Then these three have a shimmer to it. This is a bronzer, and then you have the 3 shadow and blushes right here at the bottom. So this is a pretty good just grab and go palette. So the palette retailed for $32. So that's everything. I'm gonna go ahead and add everything up off camera, and I'll come back and give you the total value of this month's box. Okay, so the total value of this month's box is $139, which is really good because you're only paying $25 for it. Sadly to say, this is actually going to be my very last subscription. I'm not canceling because I don't like the subscription. I do. I just have other subscriptions that I'm keeping. I just think this is an opportunity to substitute this with another subscription box and go ahead and try that out for a while. I don't know what box I want. I'm still thinking about it. So I'd love for you guys to give me an idea of what box you would like to see me try, or if you have any suggestions. Okay, so I can already tell it's late. My eyes are getting red, especially because I can't see. So my eyes are straining right now. So that's all I have for you today. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss a video. As always, guys, I love you, and I'll catch you in the comments below.